When you think about rain, you probably picture, a nice cool shower of water. But what if I told you that on some planets way out at the edge of our solar system, the forecast isn't for water, but for something way, way more brilliant? Yep, you heard that right. While our clouds here on Earth give us good old H2O, if you could travel out to the ice giants Neptune and Uranus, science says it is literally raining diamonds. Now, I know it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but this theory is actually grounded in some very real and very extreme planetary science. In fact, scientists have even managed to recreate these crazy conditions in labs, using powerful lasers to prove that, yeah, this process is totally possible. So how on earth is this even possible? Well, to understand it, we've got to look at two very specific planets at the far reaches of our solar system, the ice giants. Because out there, the conditions are just perfect for cooking up the universe's most luxurious storm. Now, just to be clear, this isn't happening in fluffy white clouds like the ones we see in our sky. No, this diamond rain is believed to form deep, deep inside the atmospheres of these planets. We're talking thousands of kilometers below the cloud tops we can see, in a region with truly unimaginable conditions. So how does this whole thing actually happen? Well, you can kind of think of these planets as giant cosmic diamond factories. They've got all the raw ingredients and the perfect machinery to turn simple elements into precious gems, but on a planetary scale. So let's break down how this incredible process actually works. Okay, so it all boils down to 4 key steps. First, it all starts way down in that deep atmosphere. You've got scorching temperatures, thousands of degrees, and pressure that's millions of times greater than what we feel on Earth's surface. It's insane. Next, all that intense pressure goes to work on methane gas, which is everywhere on these planets. The pressure is so extreme that it literally crushes the methane molecules apart, splitting them up and setting the carbon atoms free. Third, these now free-floating carbon atoms get squeezed together by that same immense pressure, forcing them to bond into that super tight crystal structure that makes a diamond. And just like that, you've got crystals. And finally, because these solid diamonds are way denser than the soupy, thick atmosphere around them, they start to sink. And that, my friends, is your diamond rain. And scientists have just the perfect name for this. They call it diamond hail. I mean, that's a perfect description, isn't it? Just try to imagine it. Not a gentle drizzle, but a constant hailstorm of glittering, freshly made diamonds sinking through a thick planetary ocean. What an alien and kind of beautiful image. And the scale of this, it's just mind-boggling. Scientific models suggest these diamonds could grow to be absolutely massive. I mean, forget the little diamonds you see in jewelry. We could be talking about diamonds the size of boulders slowly sinking down towards the planet's core. The sheer number and size of them is almost impossible to wrap your head around. So naturally, when you hear about boulder-sized diamonds just raining from the sky, your mind probably goes to one place: treasure hunt, right? It sounds like the plot of a blockbuster movie, this high-stakes mission to the outer solar system to collect an unimaginable fortune. And who wouldn't be tempted? A treasure hunt in space sounds absolutely fantastic, doesn't it? The ultimate adventure for the ultimate prize. It just taps into that human desire for exploration and discovery, and let's be honest, for wealth beyond our wildest dreams. But there's a catch. And here it is. The very same conditions that create these incredible diamonds are also what make them completely impossible to get to. The pressure is so immense, so powerful, that any spacecraft we could ever build, any probe, any person would be crushed into nothing in an instant. The universe's greatest treasure is locked away in its most formidable vault. So that leaves us with one last fascinating question to think about. Knowing the incredible reward that's waiting there, but also knowing the absolute, inescapable risk, would you travel there for the riches? It's a thought that really captures the awe-inspiring, beautiful, and kind of terrifying nature of our universe. What do you think?